Today we are going to discuss about muscle naming criteria. Welcome to Teacher Gia's channel. Let's begin. Skeletal muscles are named based on various criteria that provide insight into their location, function, and structure. So let's talk about location. It indicates proximity to nearby structures, e.g. temporalis, near the temporal bone. So that is the first one, how we can name muscles that are near or in a certain proximity with certain structures. Next is shape. Shape describes the muscle's outline, e.g. trapezius, shaped like a trapezoid, deltoid, shaped like a triangle, rhomboid, shaped like a diamond. So you can name muscles depending on their shape, the shape that the muscle has taken. The third muscle naming criteria is size. It reflects the relative size. Large muscles, e.g. gluteus maximus, and small muscles, e.g. gluteus minimus. We also have long muscles and short muscles or brevis. So whenever you see maximus, that means it is at maximum, like it is a large muscle. Minimus means a small muscle. Okay? Then the fourth criteria for naming muscles is direction of muscle fibers. This indicates orientation, e.g. rectus means parallel. Fibers that run straight, e.g. rectus abdominis. We have transversus, which means fibers run perpendicularly. Then you have oblique, which means like they run at some angle. Fibers run at some angle, e.g. external, oblique. So before we move on, let's talk about the tendons. A tendon is a strong fibrous connective tissue that attaches muscle to bone, enabling movement by transmitting the force generated by muscle contraction. Tendons are composed primarily of collagen fibers, giving them the necessary strength and flexibility to withstand the tension created during physical activity. Unlike ligaments, which connect bones to other bones, tendons specifically link muscles to bones and play a crucial role in stabilizing joints and facilitating body movement. Due to their structure, tendons can resist significant force, making them essential for movement in various activities like walking, lifting, and jumping. Some well-known tendons include Achilles tendon, connecting the calf muscle to the heel, and the Patellar tendon, linking the quadriceps to the tibia. So that is all about a tendon. I hope you've noted down that tendons link muscles to bones and they're made of collagen fibers. So after talking about tendons, we can now talk about the fifth naming criteria, which is number of origins. This refers to how many tendons attach. We have biceps. Biceps has 2 tendons attached, or we say 2 origins, for example, biceps brachii. Triceps has 3 tendons attached, or we say 3 origins, for example, triceps brachii. Quadriceps has tendons attached, or we say 4 origins, for example, quadriceps femoris. And here you have to talk about tendons, or if you're not referring to tendons, you say origin. Biceps means 2, triceps means 3, and quadriceps means 4. Okay, we move to the 6th naming criteria, which is location of attachment. Here, muscles are named after origin and intersection points, or refer to details where muscles are attached. E.g., we have Sternocleidomastoid, which originates or attaches from the sternum and clavicle, then inserts on the mastoid process. Thus, the name Sternocleidomastoid. Lastly, we have type of motion produced or movement pattern. This specifies functions, e.g., flexor, extensor, and adductor. Flexors decrease the angle between 2 bones or joints, e.g. biceps. Extensors increase the angle between 2 bones or joints, e.g. triceps. And rotators enable rotation, e.g. rotator cuff muscles. So you can name them according to the type of motion they produce. So when the muscle decreases the angle between two bones, you say flexors. When it increases the angle between two bones, it's called extensors. And rotators enable rotation. Understanding these naming conventions allows for easier identification of muscle functions and actions based on their names. So we have come to the end of our lesson for today. I hope you've learned something. And if you want to master, you have to every day go through the muscle naming criteria for you to be well versed with it. See you in the next lesson, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Teacher Gia's channel.